Hello everyone, welcome to Manwar Education. So in this video I will discuss 10 pointers for Maharashtra MCA CET preparation for year 2022 and 23. Okay, अगर आप ग्रेजुएशन के सेकेंड ईयर में हैं देन यू विल अपीयर महाराष्ट्र MCA CET in 2023, and if you are in third year and if you are planning to do MCA then you need to appear MCA CET and you will be appearing in 2022. So what are the things you need to do before the start of preparation and what are the things are required? Okay, so with that you can target top MCA colleges. So before we proceed ahead, we have launched the batches for Maharashtra MCA CET for year 2022 and 23. In this batches you will get live classes, books, shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos will be there, topic test, mock test, WhatsApp group will be made where all the queries of yours will be solved by our faculties, 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now, call on 8828581455, or you can also visit to our website manvaredu.com/MCA entrance. Now guys, let us discuss important things to do for exam preparation. Okay, so in this I will give you 10 pointers. So you need to watch this video very carefully because these are the things are required for any competitive exam preparation. So very first, what is the exam syllabus? Understanding of the syllabus is really important, especially what to study and what not to study. This is very important. Okay, after this, what is the exam paper pattern? आपके पेपर पैटर्न में कौन से सेक्शंस है, कौन से सेक्शंस को कितना मार्क्स है, नेगेटिव मार्किंग है कि नहीं है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, MCA CET हैज नेगेटिव मार्किंग ऑल्सो. इन विच सेक्शन हाउ मेनी मार्क्स आर नेगेटिव. सो यू नीड टू नो ऑल द डिटेल्स अबाउट एग्जाम पेपर पैटर्न. सो दिस इज द सेकेंड थिंग. आफ्टर दिस, पास्ट ईयर पेपर एनालिसिस. लास्ट 2-3 ईयर्स के और 4 ईयर्स के आप पेपर एनालिसिस कर लीजिए. सो यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट the trend of examination. Okay, like in English section what kind of a question is coming, like, and similarly computer concept, maths, logical reasoning, ये सारे sections में कौन से type के questions आपको आ रहे हैं previous year paper से, ये आपको पता चल जाएगा. Now after this is understand the competition of the exam. Okay, so आपके साथ कितने लोग बैठ रहे हैं, what are the top colleges, you need to understand that competition also. Okay, now after this, perfect mindset for the daily preparation of the exam. Yes, you need to have perfect mindset. आपको daily basis पे prepare करना है, whether you are in SY or TY or working professional, then only you will clear this exam. Every day at least 2 घंटे तो आपको पढ़ना ही पढ़ना है, apart from your live classes या classroom lectures whatever you are attending. So that will be a perfect mindset for the preparation. Okay, now डेली वर्क फॉर द एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. आपको ऐसी चीज़ें देखनी है जो आपको डेली प्रिपेयर करना है, लाइक इंग्लिश हो गया, कंप्यूटर कंसेप्ट हो गया. दीज थिंग्स यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर एवरी डे. ओके, सो डेली वर्क फॉर एग्जामिनेशन आपको क्या है वो आपको चैनलाइज करना है. आफ्टर दिस, नो इंट्यूशन. यस, तुक्का या मटका नहीं लगाना है बिकॉज MCA कैरीज नेगेटिव मार्किंग. एंड लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, ऐसे आपको दिमाग में बिठा लेना है कि आप जब तुक्का लगाएंगे तो वो गलत ही होगा, ऐसे चलना है. बिकॉज गेस वर्क इट मे फेच यू नेगेटिव मार्किंग. बेस्ट वे इंट्यूशन रिमूव करने का है कि आप बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करिए अपना एग्जाम के लिए. सो वो गेस वर्क आप नहीं करोगे एंड दैट टाइम नो इंट्यूशन, सो नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग विल बी देयर. सो दैट इज द थिंग. आफ्टर दिस, मॉक टेस्ट. विद द मॉक टेस्ट you will come to know about which are the stronger sections of yours, which are the weaker sections of yours, time management, paper pattern, all these things you will learn with the mock test. So mock test is also very important. After this, SWOT analysis. In management we study SWOT analysis. What is SWOT analysis? Strength, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. What are the strong points of yours, what are the weaker points of yours, opportunities क्या है, threats क्या है. So all these things you need to do in SWOT analysis, and this SWOT analysis it is only done by you. After this, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड फॉर द एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन. गाइज मैनी ऑफ द टाइम ऐसे होता है कि ड्यूरिंग योर ग्रेजुएशन एग्जाम प्रिपरेशन एज वेल एज योर entrance exam preparation you feel low, you are unable to balance the time, then you feel low, you feel demotivated. So what you can do in this time? So we at Maneuver, we provide mentorship and guidance So you can talk to your mentors, and mentor will help you, mentor will guide you, and mentor will motivate you. With this you can get the success. Now let me guide you guys where you will get all this study material. So guys, this is our website manoeuvreedu.com. Just click on buy online, click on MCA entrance. Okay, so this kind of a page will open. Okay, now MCA entrance you can see over here. So over here you will see full course, sectional course, mock test, books, study material. So we have all the things. Just click on full course, show packages. So this kind of a page will open, and we have a Maharashtra MCA CET 2022 program. In this you will get video lectures plus mock test, 150 tests will be there plus handouts. Okay, so after this we have MCA to Turbo 2022 program. In this you will get video lectures plus mock test plus 160 tests and plus handouts. So this is for Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET and other MCA entrance examination. And after this we have MCA entrance 2023 Turbo Excel program. In this Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET and other MCA entrance courses is there. If you are in second year of graduation and if you are planning to give MCA entrance in 2023, so we have this program also. You can join this program. After that, if you are feeling that you are lacking only in a particular section, then we have sectional course also. Just click on sectional course, show packages. So we have sectional course for mathematics and statistics, logical abstract reasoning, English and computer concept. Yes, MCA का एग्जाम है तो कंप्यूटर कंसेप्ट तो आएगा ही, एंड देन क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग. सो दीज ऑल आर सेक्शनल कोर्स. यू कैन get these sectional course program also from us. And if you want to study from books, okay, so we have books also. So just click on books, show packages. Okay, so this is the page. You can get MCA entrance books for Maharashtra MCA CET, NIM CET and other MCA entrance. And if you want to study from ebooks, so we have ebooks facility also. So this is for MCA CET. So all this study material you can get it from us, and you can prepare for MCA entrance. So that's it guys in this video. If you want to prepare for MCA entrance 2022 and 23, so you can join our online and live classes. You can call to our board line number. Our team will help you. If you want classroom coaching, so we have classroom coaching at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai, Dadar. You can also visit to our website manoeuvreedu.com. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. Link of all the social media handles, it is given into the description box. So do check the description box. This is all about in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. All the best for your preparation. Thank you.